This lake gets hit by lightning almost daily. It's located in Venezuela and is known as Lake Maracaibo. What makes this possible are the unique conditions of the air and water that creates a phenomenon known as Relámpago del Catatumbo, which means lightning from the catfish. The air temperature over the lake is consistently warm, which causes the water to evaporate and form clouds. The rising air currents then cause even more evaporation, creating a never-ending cycle of thunderstorms. The good news is that the lightning is only visible from the ground about 80 nights per year. So if you live nearby, you can see nature's electric show almost every night of the year. That's 1 minute. See you next time.